Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix VALORANT has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect with some quick and effective steps. This error is usually caused by network issues or Riot services not running properly. First, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection. Next, open Services on your PC and find VGC, then make sure it is running. If not, start it and set it to automatic. After that, launch VALORANT as administrator to avoid permission problems. Now, check your internet connection and avoid using VPN because it can cause connection errors. Also, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus or add VALORANT to exceptions so it is not blocked. If the issue still continues, reset your network settings using command prompt with ipconfig flush DNS and netsh winsock reset. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the connection error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.